Right, so I'm going to have to whisper a little bit on this one. The rest of my family are downstairs watching the England game, and I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of football at all. So I watched the first half. Wasn't a very good game anyway. It wasn't very exciting. No goals were scored either side. So I said I'm just going to nip upstairs to the toilet, and I thought I'll do this unboxing whilst the second half is on. So I'm whispering. I'm in one of my children's rooms because they're actually downstairs watching it as well. They asked if they could be woken up to watch it. So they went to bed at 7 and then we woke them up at 10 when it started, as it's no school tomorrow, Saturday night. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Now, this arrived a couple of days ago, and this is something I picked up from the Stackers Social Marketplace. There's always some really cool stuff up for sale in the Stackers Social Marketplace. And this knife is absolutely shocking. Look at that, it didn't do anything. Oh, there we go, maybe it did. But yeah, this was in the Stackers Social Marketplace. And as soon as you see the top of this box, you're going to know where it came from. Look at that. Backyard Bullion. He is now in Stacker Social, and he has started listing some bits and pieces for sale in the marketplace. Always really nicely wrapped whenever you get anything from Backyard Bullion. That's his business card and his website on there. Hand poured silver art made in the UK. Follow me on YouTube. That's his YouTube link there, and his website and his email address. Go and check him out. He makes some really cool poured pieces. But let's have a look what I picked up. This is a nice little felt baggie. Got some other bits and pieces here. This is a COA. This is number 10 of just 100. And these are the Backyard Bullion logo bars. They weigh 1 ounce. Well, I'm guessing it'll be slightly over an ounce, because it's always very tricky to get exactly an ounce when you're pouring silver. We get a little bit about how hand poured silver. I'll let you pause that if you want to read the whole of that. And I think that's the same again on that side. And then he always includes these hallmark things, which is really cool. Basically tells you how the hallmarks work and what they mean. So that's really good. All the Backyard Bullion's hand poured stuff is always hallmarked. Oh, I'm literally sitting on the floor here, getting a dead leg. But let's have a look. And we've got to be quick, because they're going to notice that I've snuck off to do a video otherwise and haven't just gone to the toilet. Wow, look at that. Look at that. 1 ounce of poured silver. Got the hallmarks along the bottom there. We zoom in a little bit, I don't know how. Yeah, there you go, that's quite clear. 2026. You can see it serialized there. 10 of 100. Just really nice. Oh, that's cool. 10 years. Ah, so this must be the 10-year anniversary one. Oh, that's really cool. I didn't even realise that. So this is even more special. I think this is the 10-year anniversary since Backyard Bullion started pouring silver. So that is really cool. I really like the stamp on that as well. That's come out really nice. So yeah, absolutely incredible piece. Got a nice bit of weight to it as well. So thank you very much, my friend, for shipping this out so quickly. Look at that. What a lovely bar. So yeah, there we go. And that is my sneaky unboxing whilst the football is on. But yeah, I'm going to sneak back down now. I'm going to have to flush the toilet so it sounds like I've been to the toilet and quickly hide all this away. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.